Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're going to be making a hurricane wing nut install and removal tool, but we're going to be making it out of a 5/8" socket. Now, I had plenty of these sockets laying around, so I really had no use for this one, because I could use pliers, needle nose pliers, or some type of pliers to install these wing nuts onto these bolts. But after a while, it gets tiring after a while, because it takes longer to use a handheld tool than it is to use a drill, or to use a handheld drill. Put this on the end of it, install this wing nut faster than anything, and remove it the same way. So let's make this into a tool to remove these wing nuts. So let's get started. Alright, so got myself a black permanent marker. Here's the 5/8 socket, and all I want to really do is make a like a mark line right, just like that. Go on the opposite side, put it right. Okay, like that. Okay, sorry you can't see that. So there's a black line. There's a black line here and a black line there. Okay. All right, so I got my air mops. Okay, I'm gonna take this socket onto the vise. Put it just like that. Now I take my Harbor Freight grinder here. Okay, so put my earmuffs on, just like so. Turn it on. Whoop. Throw it on the floor, why don't I? Okay, right. There we go. Yep. See? There you go. Just like that. Yeah. Now that we cut the grooves into on the top of the socket to fit the wing nut down in, which you saw on my drill, so I'm going to take this out. Okay, this is a socket adapter, like that. Okay, now we take our socket that we just cut the grooves in, as you see up a little better close. Okay, just like that. It's a little sloppy, but it's okay. And like I said, all it is an install and removal tool for this to go onto here. Okay, so now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put the socket on like that, like that. Okay. All right. So now I got myself a pair of channel locks here, because I'm gonna show how fast it goes on this nut, and how fast it comes off. But I don't want to hold the bolt just in case I get hurt. That's what I don't want to do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna start the wing nut on the bolt. Just start it, just like that. Okay, just like that. Now you take this tool and just like that. Okay, and when you want to remove it, booyah, done. Now, as you saw, the socket was wobbling a little bit. Okay, that should be all right, as long as you don't go like super fast with the drill, because if you do, it'll jerk out of your hands. Let me see if I can show you. Okay. Super fast. See it? Like that. Oh, see it? Like that. You don't want to do that. All you want to do, put it on. Okay. Put it on like that. Medium speed. That's removing it and installing it. There you go. I just wanted to show you all the size of this socket adapter here. All right, got myself a tape measure and see if I can hold this steady for you. So this end right here, the width of this is, so it's approximately a quarter. All right, everybody. So now at least I made a wing nut install and removal tool for absolutely free. I didn't have to order nothing on Amazon, eBay, or anywhere else. So I actually did save myself some money. So now that we're hurricane season, so now I can go ahead and throw these panels up real fast, screw the wing nuts on the bolt, and I'll be good to go. All right, folks, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to leave a comment if you choose to. And don't forget to share it. Till next video. Bye.